So hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video, and as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency because I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's why I'm always trying to talk about here and there. And first of all, my video is not scripted and I am just talking raw of the video, you can say that, because there's no scripting, there's no editing in my videos, and I want to show the things like the genuine thing, and I don't want to show the things like what I'm mixing all the things like what the other people is doing on a YouTube channel. So that's why I decided I have to record my videos without making any type of mix masala, that type of things, you can say that. So that's why, because there is no benefit of that. If I am doing that type of all the thing, I am not going to learn anything. So that's why I'm always try to record my video without thinking about anything, and just want to learn as soon as possible this language. So the thing is that I have been doing that same thing since a year, but the thing is that for a year, but the thing is that I am improving and feeling so good that time. And many people ask me how I am learning this language. So I'm not doing many more things. I'm just open my camera and recording myself, my videos, and talking about here and there. Even I'm not thinking about what I have to talk. Even in this video I'm not thinking about what I have to talk, and I'm not sure what I will going to talk about. But yeah, I have to practice this language, so I have to talk it about any here and there. So I'm always try to suggest you the same thing what I'm doing in my whole day, and that is my all the videos. So that is a very important thing. If you learn this language, there's a lot of benefit. So that's why I'm always suggesting you please learn as soon as possible this language, because it's a very important and it's a very good thing for you. If you learn this language, you learn the how to talk with any people, you learn how to convey your idea thoughts in English. And if you are able to convey your thoughts and ideas in English, and you are able to articulate your words, so you are sufficient that time, and you feel like good, because your character is totally changed. You feel your mindset will be changed. So that type of all the things really very good in front of any people, and your presentation is so much better best that time. So that's why I'm always suggesting you. And one more thing, I always call this language as a magical language, because it feels really a magical thing. Because if you are talking in front of any people in Hindi, he takes you for a granted sometime. But if you are talking in English in front of any people, he really takes you seriously that time. And you please, you have to know that you feel that type of thing. So that's why I'm always suggesting you please learn this language as soon as possible. And it's not so much hard thing. You will learn very easily, very sufficiently, because there's a no nothing in this world you can't learn. So, and you don't have to do many more time in that. Means many people suggest you, I just always search on a YouTube channel. I feel like what's the materials on a YouTube channel, there are a lot of things. The people saying to you, you have to do this, you have to do that. But I always suggest you, you don't have to do that type of all the things. Because I am not saying all the thing is going wrong, all the thing is wrong. I am saying all the thing is very difficult, very anxious, means burdenous thing. If you are doing all that type of all the thing, you feel something burden on your mind. So that's why I'm not suggesting this, and I'm not learn in that way what the other people is suggesting me, and it's not give me a benefit. So 90% of the part, if you really want to learn this language, 90% of the part is that you have to speak. That is a very simple thing. If you are not able to speak, then you have to write it down in your copy. Help the chat gpt, take the help of the chat gpt, and write it down something, and continuously read it out loud on a camera. So that will help to maintain your structure, that will help to learn some structure words, vocabularies. So it will help you in a lot of ways. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you are not capable to talk in English, then write it down and talk continuously the same thing. Because if you are talking same thing, you will learn automatically. If you don't want to learn, you will learn. Okay, you don't feel I am learning, but you will learn. You have to read it loud for 10 times, 20 times, and after 30 and 40 days you feel, yeah, I learned this thing. And then what you have to do, don't have to open your copy. Without helping your copy, taking the help of the copy, without taking the help of the copy, you have to talk in front of camera all the substances which you are written down in your copy. So that will help you to grow your structure, to maintain vocabulary, to learn vocabulary and express your thoughts. Pronunciation all will settled in that one particular thing, and after that you have to change the topic. If you are done with that particular topic, you have to change the topic and do it same thing again and again. You will automatically learn. I know this is very boring, but it's not tough thing, it's a very easy thing, you can do it. And if you are doing for a 6 and 7 month, you feel really something change in your mind, change your thoughts, you are capable to use some words and sentences. And after that you don't have to write it down all the thing in the copy, because you are capable that time to express your thoughts. I know that your mistake is not will be improved, but yeah, mistake is very important, because I am also making mistake in my videos, in my whole videos, but I am not thinking about it, because I am really feel that if I am making mistake, then I am learning something new. If without making mistake, how it will possible you are learning something new? It will not possible. So you have to make mistake, and after, if you are doing same thing again and again, you will learn many more things. You are just recording your video, and after that what you have to do, you have to just analyze your video, where you are making mistake and where do you need improvement. That will help you a lot, because I am here stand by in front of you because of my mistake. I am making a lot of mistake, and even right now I'm making a lot of mistake, and I am improving day by day. That is what I am doing, and that is what I am also suggesting you, and that is the 100% of guarantee of mine. If you are doing that type of same thing always, you will learn automatically. Please learn this language, because it's a Indian secondary language, and it's a very important language in this India, in this country, because all the thing you can see, all the thing depend on this language. So if you are going further enough abroad, if you are going abroad, then you have to learn this language. So there are multiple uses of this language, and if you learn, you totally change of your character, you totally change about your thoughts and the people's thoughts. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, please learn this language as soon as possible. And I'm also in a learning phase, I'm making a lot of making grammar mistake, grammatical mistake, but trust me, it will solve, it will resolve. But when you are just doing continuously practice, so that is the very important thing. If you are not learning English grammar rule, that is okay, very okay, you don't have to learn. I just say, if you are believing on me, don't need to learn. If you are going to learn any type of vocabulary, I say no need to learn any type of vocabularies. Just you have to speak, that is very important thing. Just you have to speak. Remark my word, you have to speak. 99% of the working trick, you will call it trick, that thing, and you will call the method. 99% of the thing is that in this language, in any language you want to learn, then you have to speak. Speaking is a very important thing. If you are speaking, then you will learn, and if you are not speaking, you will not going to learn anything. So speak, 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 that's matter only. Speak for 2 minutes, speak for 3 minutes, speak for 5 minutes, it's depend on you. I am not saying you have to 30 minutes a day, because no one has enough time. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you are not able to record for 10 minutes, record for 2 minutes, record only for 2 minutes, 1 minute. But the thing is that the very important thing is that maintain your consistency. If you are not consistent, you will not going to learn. So maintain your consistency, you will automatically learn this language. And if you don't have a believingness on me, how I am improving day by day, then check it out my first video. You will get the real example where I was that time and right now where I am. So that is only happen when I am doing same thing again and again, and that is the power of consistency. And I'm maintaining my consistency. Let's see what will happen, I will do it or not, but yeah, I try my best to maintain my consistency. If I'm not capable to record for a 10 minutes, I guarantee you I am going to record for a 1 minute, 2 minutes. So that is the main, that is what I have a perseverance, I have a believeness. I will learn this language very fluently. I will fluent one day in future. That is what you have to keep in your mind. Your believeness is everything. Believe on yourself. And if you are, if you are want to learn this language, then speak in front of camera, not in front of mirror, not in front of wall. Just speak with your camera. And I am saying you don't need to speak in front of any people, because if you are going to speak any in front of any people, people doesn't recognize you, people doesn't care about you, people only mock at you. People only mock at you. Then it's very important thing, you have to make your best friend as a camera. And camera is really a best friend for me, because I am not speaking in front of any people. Right now I'm able to speak in front of people, and I'm speaking in front of many students, which is in a 12th standard and in a graduation, because I know that I know something. So I am capable in front of, I'm okay, but I am talking to you. You are not capable to talk a single word, single structure, then you don't have to speak in front of any people. Just start with your camera, and after 1 year you also have a capability to talk in front of any people. So that is what's happened with the confidence. If you are confident, if you have a confidence, then you are not caring about your mistakes, you are only caring about what you want to express your thoughts that time. So that is a very important thing, and that's why I'm always suggesting you, please learn this language as soon as possible, and you will get the many opportunities in future. So that is why I'm always suggesting you. So what you think about it, let me know in a comment section. And one more thing is that I'm also a learner, so I'm learning phrase, so don't judge me with the any people. And also you don't have to judge yourself because with other people, because you are in the position of day one, and other people is on to the day 100 and day 200. So don't judge your day 100 with the others day 200 and 300, because he struggling, he is just doing laborious hard work, so that's why he is on that position and you are not doing, so that's why you are not at that position, but you will be that position one day. So be patient, be confident, and try to talk regularly. It will help to make you confident, and you will be confident at time. So that's for it. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.